Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are at the Lorton Virginia auto train station and we're about to get on the auto train down to Sanford, Florida and go on our Disney vacation. So why don't you come with me and check it out? So we are all the way down there in the sleeper car section. Right now it's about 2:15 and we are going to board at 3:30. So now here at the auto train station you have the boarding platform and then right over here you've got a little bit of a playground. There's Yoshi playing. And that's the terminal station right over there. So you can hang out and wait inside the terminal. You can come out and hang out on the boarding platform. There's a playground for the kids. And just on the other side of the terminal, you have the place where you load and unload the cars.
Not going as easy as it did before.
We're all the way down.
And we have our own like private car thing, you said, or?
We have our own private room. Alright, so we just boarded the train and now we are in our roomette. There's Yoshi. So in the roomette, you have two levels. We're on the lower level, has two seats opposite each other, and then above us is a bunk bed that drops down. So someone can sleep up top, someone can sleep out on the bottom. And if you look out behind me, they're loading up the cars for this trip. So more to come.
The next morning.
Okay, so we are all checked in to the Beach Club Resort. So I'm headed to the room right now. And we're in a one-bedroom villa this time. Room number is 265, so we're on the second floor. And let's show you what it looks like. So when you walk in, there's a little foyer area here. And then there's a little breakfast nook with a little hidden Mickey. And you've got a kitchen. And then here's the living room area where you have a couch and some chairs. Nice large TV with a breakfast bar. Over here, we've got a patio balcony here that we could step out. That goes all the way across to the other bedroom. Nice little view of the walkway, not bad. Okay, so making our way through. This is the bathroom area. Stand-up shower. Sink. Toilet room. And then in this side, you have another bathroom as part of the main bedroom. Here's where the laundry area is. Oh no, no laundry. This is just a closet with an extra pillow and blanket. But you have a nice little soaker tub here, if you're into that sort of thing. Looks pretty nice. I think this is a refurbished room because I believe the older one bedrooms had a window that went into the main bedroom. And then here's your bed. The balcony is over here again. You got a bed. The hidden Mickey, yes. A nice large TV, so. Yeah, so that's the room. It's a one bedroom, like I said, at Beach Club Resort. So the kitchen over here has a stove, and you've got a sink, dishwasher, some glasses, and a full refrigerator. Oh, here we go, full refrigerator. So pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, guys, stick around, and we'll take you on a tour of the resort. Okay, guys, so we're at Beach Club. We're all checked in. Now we're just gonna head to the pool, which is called Stormalong Bay. So we're gonna check it out. Now, when you stay at Beach Club, because this is one of the more popular pools, you have to have your magic band to scan into the pool, because only resort guests are allowed to use this pool. So let's check it out. All right, here we are, Stormalong Bay. This is the main pool area. Now we just gotta find a place to set up shop, grab beach towels.
Somebody wants to get in.
I can still have
And you want to go over in like the steep end, like over here then?
Well, I have to watch our stuff too. Okay, everybody, so we finished up at Stormalong Bay, and we went back to the room, We got freshened up. Now we're on our way to Hollywood Studios because we're gonna get some dinner. I think we're gonna check out Rosie's All-American Cafe. And Rosie's has stuff like hot dogs and hamburgers. They even have a plant-based lobster roll that, between you and me, I think Alyssa's gonna give that one a try. But anyway, so we're on our way to the boat launch because that's the way you get to Hollywood Studios from the Beach and Yacht Club Resort. So we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. By the way, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and turning notifications on so that you know whenever we release new content. Also, if you like the video, please like and share it with your friends. It'll really help out the channel. All right, guys, on our way to the boat launch, so we'll see you there. God bless you. Papa. I have no idea if I'm in the frame or not, so here's to hoping and praying. Oh, this is what the zero entry pool that I was talking about right here, where it's all sand bottom. But we were on the other side of that lighthouse. But yeah, so we'll try it another day.
That's where I was.
Okay, so now we're in the yacht club part of the Yacht and Beach Club Resort. So 2 different resorts, but they do share a common pool, which is Stormalong Bay, and they also share transportation. So we're on our way to the boat launch, which is that away, and boat's just getting here. So if we hurry up, we might be able to catch it to Hollywood Studios. Look, it's a pirate ship. I think that's where they do the... Oh, that's the... I'm dumb. That pirate ship is the kiddie pool. I'm
Yes.
like, oh, it's a pirate ship. I wonder if they do like pirate ship cruises for the little kids. Nope. Kiddie pool.
They do, but not with that one.
Yeah. So that's the kiddie pool area over yonder. Big pirate ship.
Oliver was a big boy and went down the water slide.
Yep. So nice Crescent Lake. Don't swim in it. And here comes the boat launch. Here's the boat launch. So, timing is perfect. Alright guys, so first time Alyssa and Yoshi are going through as annual pass holders. Here we go. Go ahead.
You know, families are more picky about what they're treating. So I was like, what's the finger now? Yeah, and I wish I had known.
Purple!
Yeah.
Like your nicer traders.
Yeah, 'cause I only found like, you know, my duplicates that I got like trading cards. So I did find this one pin that was the last one I said.
It's not quite park closing time, but it's getting ready for a lot of the families to head back to their hotels. And Beach Club, you take a boat to Hollywood Studios. Now, if you see over there, I don't know if you can see it too good, but the boat launch is pretty backed up. And the boat carries only so many people. And it also stops at 3 other resorts. So pro tip, there is a walking path to get from Hollywood Studios back to Beach Club or Boardwalk or Yacht Club. It's about a 20 to 25 minute walk depending on how fast you walk. But when the line's backed up and it's a 45-minute wait, it's a lot faster option. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.